got 2 going on. Holy shit, dude! 3!
Set the hook. Connor, set the hook.
Set it.
Is he there? He's there. Go to the
got
other one.
Got 2 flags. Alright, I'll take them so I can get both of them. Take them.
Show the other tip on camera. We got 3
We got
flags go. You
3
guys-
flags go within what, a minute?
Yeah, just try hooking. Got him? No.
Right there.
Go. Tony, get your...
Come on, 3rd time's the charm.
Alright, let's see if we go to 1, 2, 3. Holy cockle. That's when you know they're chasing bait fish. Is the line to the side? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh no, it's not.
Nothing?
Tim's was at least spinning. Oh, is it? Yeah? Holy, talk about chasing.